Ever wonder how that magical box in your window turns a sweltering summer day into a cool, comfortable oasis? It's not magic, it's physics. And today, we're going to demystify the science behind air conditioning. It cleverly grabs the heat from inside your room and dumps it outside. Think of it like a bouncer at a club, but for heat molecules. Its job is to escort the unwanted heat out, leaving the cool, calm party inside. The secret to this heat-moving magic lies in a process called the refrigeration cycle, which relies on a special substance called a refrigerant, constantly changing its state from a liquid to a gas and back again. This phase changes the key. Your warm room air is much hotter than the refrigerant, so the heat naturally jumps from the air into the refrigerant. As the refrigerant absorbs all this heat, it starts to boil and turns into a gas, a process called evaporation. This is exactly like how water boils in a pot, but refrigerants do it at much lower temperatures. As the refrigerant evaporates, it pulls a massive amount of heat out of the air. The now much cooler air is then blown back into your room, and voila, sweet relief. And it's carrying all that heat it stole from your room. What next? Think about pumping up a bicycle tire. The pump gets hot, right? Same principle. The heat it was carrying flows out of the refrigerant and into the surrounding atmosphere. This is your AC dumping all that unwanted heat from your house into the great outdoors. We're almost back to where we started, but there's one final, critical step. This rapid drop in pressure causes the liquid to expand and become extremely cold, partially flashing back into a gas. This is known as the Joule-Thomson effect. It's like when you use a can of compressed air to clean your keyboard and the can gets icy cold. Finally, the expansion valve drops the pressure, making the liquid intensely cold again. It's an elegant dance of pressure, temperature, and phase changes, all governed by the fundamental laws of thermodynamics. It's not magic. It is just really, really cool physics. The next time you're enjoying that blast of cold air on a hot day, you'll know exactly what's happening behind the scenes. It's a constant, invisible battle against heat. And thanks to science, we're winning. Thank you so much for watching and nerding out with me today. I hope this gave you a new appreciation for your air conditioner. If you found this interesting, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the science of everyday things. Stay cool, and see you in the next video.